Hi and welcome to Treasurie. Today I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet stitch. This is one of the basic crochet stitches and probably the first stitch you'll learn. This is a swatch in a worsted weight yarn with a 5mm hook. That's what I suggest you use if you're a beginner, and preferably a wool blend or an acrylic. Stay away from cotton yarn because it tends to split. For the tutorial I'm using this super chunky yarn so you can see the stitches really clearly. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to make a slip knot. Here we have our yarn. This is the end of the yarn and this is attached to the ball. We're going to grab the side attached to the ball and loop it over the tail end. Grab your little pinching fingers and put it through that loop and grab the yarn attached to the ball and just pull it through. And there you have your slip knot. This is adjustable. If you pull it, you can make it smaller and then put it on your hook. I do have a full tutorial for slip knots if that's new to you. We're now going to create a foundation chain. So chains are yarn over. You're going to rotate the hook down and then pull it back and through the loop that was on the hook. Do another one. Put the yarn over the end of the hook. See how the hook is facing up? And now we're going to rotate the hook so the hook part is facing down and pull it through the chain. Okay, one more. Yarn over with the hook up, rotate down and pull it back and through. So for single crochet you'll need to do your foundation chain to the width you would like. I suggest if you're using a worsted weight yarn that you just do a sample of 20 stitches. So we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 10, 8, 9 and 10. And that's our foundation chain. We're now going to start our single crochet. You will be inserting the hook in the second chain from the hook. So we don't count that one that's on the hook. We count that one below, 1 and number 2. That's where we're going to insert our hook. So just turn the hook upside down so it's facing downwards and insert it. Put it to the top, see how the hook is facing up, and we're going to do a yarn over and then see how I've turned that down, and that allows it to bring it through. So we've brought it through and we now have 2 loops on the hook. We're now going to do a yarn over and pull it through both of these loops. So yarn over, rotate and pull it back and through 2 loops. And that's your first single crochet. If you've been following along and you have one, congratulations. If you're a little bit confused still, let's do one more together. Okay, second single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, so the hook is facing up, and then we're going to rotate down so we can catch that thread. Pull it through the loop, yarn over and pull it through 2. Some of you might want to have a closer look at where we're inserting the hook. So if you have a look at each of these chain stitches, they look like a little V shape. We're just going to insert the hook straight into the middle. So if you have a look at the next one, that's the V there, and the hook's going to go straight into the middle of that. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull through 2. So you'll repeat that all the way to the end. I will just do that now. We're now up to our last one. You'll notice that it curls up a bit. That's perfectly normal. Just straighten it out a little bit And that's our first row of single crochet. Here's the one that I have done in a regular worsted weight yarn. See, once again it's all curly, but that's how it looks in a worsted yarn. We're now on to row 2. For row 2, we're going to do 1 chain on the very end. So yarn over and pull it through. What that does is that it increases the height to row 2. Turn your piece because you're always working right to left. Now we're going to be doing a single crochet into the base of that chain. So if you look at this from the top, see how there's lots of little V's? You're going to insert the hook each time under both of the V's. So this is our first one here. Insert your hook. So if we look at it from the top, see how it's under both loops? And we're now going to do our yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through too. So that's our first single crochet of the row. For our second single crochet, you'll go under both loops of the second stitch. So inserting, see how it goes under both loops? You'll do yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through too. Shall we do a few more together? Another thing to notice, see how there's 2 loops here? We have the V on the top and then the 2 loops here. You're going in between those. So insert, yarn over and pull through. So you'll just continue that until you get to the last stitch. So I'm up to the last stitch. Insert under both of the loops, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through too. And that's our second row. You're now going to be just repeating. So just to get you started on the third row, chain 1 to bring it up to a taller height, turn. The first single crochet goes into the base of that chain. So under both loops, yarn over, pull through and pull through too. And now you're on your way for row 3, and I'll show you a completed piece. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.